YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sunny. Today we are in my new greenhouse, and that sprinkling noise is just the rain up above us. Today we're going to plant some seeds in our brand new greenhouse. So you only need like a salt shaker, and then you need some seeds in the salt shaker, but you don't want a tiny drip of salt in there. So here is my carrot seeds, and pour them into a salt shaker. And we already have them in there, and then we're gonna dig like a row like that in our greenhouse, and then we just shake it in like a salt, like real salt, but I would just use like half of it like that because they're so small. We just don't want to pour them all in one spot. So we only want to have 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add half of 1 too. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. Okay, now I'm going to fill it up with seeds. So this is how I sprinkle them. Don't forget to subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the like button. So now I'm going to fill it up with seedling dirt. That's a really big piece. This helps the plant grow. Mix that in. These pieces too big. That's way too much. You don't want it too much or it'll grow too good. Gonna water it. My mom tested it real quick. Okay, so we are done watering. You subscribe below and hit the like button. Stop. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye.